We were awarded Zone 2 for Lafayette Parish School System. In Zone 2, there's 13 locations. We put a team of 10 to 15 technicians together. We're blitzing through all of the 13 locations, getting everything clean and refurbished, back to manufacturer's specification like it was brand new. So we could spend 2 to 3 days at a location, or we could spend a week at a location. These systems, the blower wheels are packed with mud. They've never been cleaned before. The coils on the outside units have mud stacked up in them because they've never been cleaned before. So we're disassembling the blowers, taking them out of the mechanical rooms and where their air handlers are located. We're bringing them outside. We're removing the motors where we can just expose the blower. We're washing down and cleaning those blowers, which has never been done before. And then we're reassembling all that, putting that all back together and then back in the classroom. Well, we keep the systems clean so they don't fail, so you don't have to repair them all the time and you don't have to replace them. So we extend the life cycle of that equipment. Most of the time you get 15 years out of equipment. We can easily get 30 years out of that equipment. So the benefits long-term are a fixed cost approach for the school system where they don't have to worry about these roller coaster rides and equipment costs. And that benefits everybody, the taxpayers, the school system, the students. It's proven itself to be the best approach for school systems across the board.